欢迎来到中国重庆。
歡迎來到中國重慶。
Welcome to Chongqing, China。神秘邊城，魅力秀山。
神秘邊城，魅力秀山。
Mysterious border city, charming mountain.
This 3D magical city is famous for its spicy, numbing, and fragrant hot pot and Xiaomian spicy noodle soup from street corners. Here, mountains and rivers blend with human culture, while tradition clashes dynamically with modernity. With its unique charm, Chongqing has become a sought-after 3D magic city. Whether you're exploring its winding streets, savoring its bold flavors, or marveling at its architectural magic, Chongqing promises a one-of-a-kind adventure, where nature, history, and modernity